Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorial how to extrude image. So I will insert image, you can click sketch and I will choose the top plane. Okay, click at this drop down menu and then choose insert image. Okay, I will use this image. If you don't have the image, you can click import and then use your image and then click open to move into this option. So I will use this image and then I will create at this point. Click OK. Now we change into the top view. If you want to extrude this image, we need to tracking the image. Okay, you can click sketch and then I will choose the top plane. So to tracking, I will use the line tools. So we'll create inside here. Okay, you can click one by one, corner to corner, tracking the image. And if you want to edit, you can click on the points. You can move here to edit the image. Okay, we're tracking again at the side. Okay, very easy by using these line tools. And then you can edit, moving the points to point here and in the bottom here. Okay, if you done, you can click OK. And then we can use the extrude tools to extrude these entities. Okay, you can click extrude and select the entities. You can change for the dips like into 5 and click OK. So we'll hide the image and you can see we already had. You also can add against another image. You can double click on sketch and then you can draw for another tracking image. So that's it for a basic Onshape tutorial how to extrude image.